E-business. The term e-business, that is electronic business, derived from email and e-commerce. E-business is the administration of conducting business via internet. This would include the buying and selling of goods and services along with providing technical or customer support through internet. The concept of e-business emerged when IBM coined the term in the late 90s. The purpose was to provide buyers a platform on internet to buy and sell goods. Benefits of e-business: easy formation, lower investment requirements, convenience, speed, global access, movement towards paperless society, government support, and easy payment. Benefits of e-business. Point number one: ease of formation. The formation of traditional business is very difficult, whereas to form e-business is relatively easy. Point number two: lower investment requirements. Investment requirement is low as compared to traditional business, as the store do not have physical existence and can be managed with less paperwork. So if the trader does not have much of investment but have contact, that is network, he can do fabulous business. Point number three: convenience. Internet offers convenience of 25 by 7 by 365 days a year. Business is going on any time and time flexibility is available. E-business is truly a business that has enabled and enhanced by electronics and offers the advantage of accessing everything anywhere anytime. Speed. The benefit becomes more attractive when it comes to information. Much of buying and selling involves exchange of information on internet allows at the click. Point number 5: global access. Internet is truly without boundaries. On one hand, it allows the seller an access to global market. On the other hand, it offers the freedom to buy, to choose products from almost any part of the world. No need of face-to-face interaction between buyer and seller. Point number 6. Movement towards paperless society. Use of internet has considerably reduced the dependence on paperwork. Thus, recording and referencing of information has become easy. Point number 7. Government support. The government provides favorable environment for setting up of e-business. This support ensures maximum transparency. Point number 8. Easy payment. The payment in e-business is done by credit card, fund transfer or cash on delivery, etc. And it is allowed around the clock.